In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make buttons in Notion. If you've ever wanted to speed up repetitive tasks or give your page a clean, interactive feel, buttons are a simple, powerful way to do it. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add one, customize it, and set what it does, all in just a few clicks. Start on any Notion page where you want the button to live. In the editor, type a / followed by the word button, then press enter. Notion instantly drops a new button onto your page, and you'll see its settings appear so you can tailor it to your needs. That panel is where all the magic happens, and it's designed to be straightforward, even if you're new to automations. Begin by personalizing how the button looks and reads. Add an icon so it stands out at a glance. An emoji or a simple symbol works great. Then give your button a clear, descriptive name. Think about what you want it to signal to you or your team, like create task, start note, or log idea. Short, action-oriented names make buttons easier to spot and understand later. Next, define what the button actually does. This is its function. In the settings, you'll see options to control the action that runs when the button is clicked. This might be creating a new page in a database, applying a template, updating properties, or other helpful actions that streamline your workflow. Choose the function that matches your goal so the button becomes a one-click shortcut. If you need the button to do more than one thing, click. Add action to add a new action. You can stack multiple actions so they run in sequence whenever the button is pressed. For example, you might create a new item and then set a status or assign a date automatically. The idea is to package your routine steps into a single, reliable click. Once you've set the icon, name, and function, and added any extra actions you want, you're all set. Your button is ready to use and can be adjusted anytime if your process changes. That's really all there is to it. Type /button and press enter, customize the look and label, set the function, and click. Add action to include anything else you need. Simple, quick, and a big boost to productivity in Notion.